Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Actually, I think it's the afternoon now. Oh, nope, it's 11:42. It's still the morning. It counts. So it is currently Wednesday, September 23rd when I'm filming this, and I am almost done with school for the day. Actually, I could be done. I'm gonna be done for school for the day for the morning, I think. You guys know my school normally ends at like 11:30. I just got off my last call. I actually slept in and missed my culinary class today. I did my math homework, I did my audio video call, I did my culinary actually. All I have to do left is like my lit, but I can do that later because I don't want to do it right now. My bed's a mess. I have to take out my trash. There's like piles of stuff in my room that just need to find their own place. I also really need to clean my fish tank and I really don't want to. I might pay my little brother to clean my fish tank. I pay my brothers to do a lot of stuff for me. I paid Cam 15 bucks to clean my car. Literally the best like clean it's ever been. I've been living in my Olaf pants because if you guys saw my last vlog, it has been cold in Georgia. It is 62 degrees today, so it's a little chilly. It's a little chilly. So I've been living in like my sweats, my sweatshirts, my long pants, and these are so fluff and so comfy. I need to take this trash out. This trash has been sitting here for like a week and it's not even like anything bad. It's trash, so it needs to go out to the trash. But then I also need to fill up my water bottle. They gave us these water bottles for cheer. We get new ones every few years and these are our new ones and they're like 30 ounces and it has my name on it, so I love it. I've been using this religiously since I got it. Trash and water. You can do this, Katie. I lost my phone. I just don't know where I put it and I can hear it buzzing. That's a little concerning. That always happens to me. Also, I took off my socks before I went to bed yesterday, so gotta put those in the dirty hamper. Dude, where is my phone? Also, I feel like it's always so dark in my room when I vlog and like it's very bright out, so I don't know why it's dark. My phone, I found it. Well, that was a blonde moment. I'm currently uploading a vlog for my vlog channel on me laptop right now. This will be my first day of school vlog. I went back in person one day a week. Watch the vlog to see how it went because it was very, very interesting. What's the word I would use? Traumatic? Not traumatic. I don't know what the right word I would use is, but it was interesting. Well, the vlog uploaded. I will post that either today or tomorrow. It's on private right now. I have a DBA scheduled with my teacher for 2 p.m. on Thursday, but I'm going to take my driver's test tomorrow, which you guys might be very confused. It is so overexposed. I've explained this before. Basically, I could get my license in March of this year because my birthday's in January, but I waited 2 months to get my permit. You have to wait a year and a day to get your license. So I was supposed to get it in March, had an appointment booked in March or April, I forget. And then COVID happened. Canceled all the appointments. Made another appointment, got canceled because of COVID. The governor of Georgia said you can get your license online if you completed like all your driver's ed, which I had done because I already scheduled an appointment, got your forms, like did your ADAP, everything to be able to get your license. You could get it online. So I have my license legally, totally fine. I've been driving for 5 months now, like by myself, I think almost 6, but they said you have to take your license test, like the actual driving road test before the 30th of September or your license can like, something happens with it, I forget. So I have to like physically go into a place to take the driving test part of it, which I know is very confusing and it's created a lot of chaos for a lot of people, but because literally every teenager in Georgia got their license online during COVID, all of the DMVs are booked up, literally all of them. I'm gonna have to drive like 30 minutes to a DMV to maybe get an appointment tomorrow, but I just realized I'm doing that tomorrow, but I have a call scheduled with my teacher at 2 p.m. Who knows how long I'm gonna be at the DMV. DMVs suck, so I need to rebook this appointment with my teacher, which I don't know if I can do. Hello guys, it is future Katie from like a week in the future, almost a week, and I passed my driver's test. I can parallel park, I can do everything. I passed it. I'm legally legal now. I was legal before, but now I'm really legal. And if you watched my newest main channel video of my fall haul, then you would know that. Hopefully my teacher lets me change my DBA, otherwise I'll be taking my science call at the DMV as I am taking my driver's test. I'm gonna somewhat make my bed now. I need to do this.
Talking about leaving, milk carton, black and white face, smile vacant for the picture, parents waiting in the driveway. Oh my darling Arizona, why you packing up?
The room is now cleaned. The bed, that just makes like everything look more put together. I can actually see like most of my floor, actually all of my floor now, which is Also pretty fly. The closet is a little bit of a mess, but that's because I'm filming a video having to do with the clothes soon. So they're all just kind of on the floor, and I'm not gonna show you guys because that will be coming on my main channel. I was gonna film it today, but I think I'm gonna film it tomorrow. My bathroom gets a hot mess sometimes, and I lit my candle. I already went through one fall candle, so we're on to my next two, but it's just looking very clean and fresh. It is now time for Katie to get ready. I feel nasty. My hair is greasy, but that's okay because I'm gonna wash it tonight because I have cheer practice today at 4. And I need to put real clothes on. There's literally a toothpaste stain on my shirt, and I'm wearing Olaf pants. So my makeup's done. Now I need to put some dry shampoo in my hair and put on an outfit. Not an outfit, just like different clothes. It's definitely still gonna be comfy, and I need to put deodorant on because I haven't done that today. I haven't left my house. I haven't done much. I also just watched James Charles' video where he like spoke all Spanish, and he did a pretty good job. I took Spanish for 3 years, and I can barely say anything, so. Outfit of the day, wow. I'm just wearing fluffy socks that match my shirt. It's one of our new Raider cheer practice shirts, and it's really cute. It just says that, and then the back has a football with like a little bow, and then we have a white one. We don't have to wear them for practice, but I just got mine, so I wanted to wear it today and then to practice today. You guys know, normally I use Fresh and Clean by Pink religiously, but for fall, I spice it up sometimes and use Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. This ish smells so good. I spray it everywhere. I would love to bathe in this scent. I just tasted it, and honestly, it doesn't taste that bad. The current show that I've been watching on Netflix is Private Practice, and I've been really enjoying it. I know it's old. So everyone told me it's like a spin-off of Grey's. I already watched that like a few years ago, and I was looking on Netflix for what else to watch, so I came across it, and I've been really liking it. I'm almost on season 3, and it's just really interesting. I like the doctor drama. It's filler. Honestly, I watched so much stuff on Netflix. I've seen pretty much everything. I watched The Social Dilemma last night, and that was really good. That's a docu-series on social media and how artificial intelligence is taking over our lives. But it's okay, because without it, I wouldn't have a job, so. I just went upstairs and ate hummus and pita chips with my brothers because I was so hungry. It's 1 and I like just ate. But besides that, I'm gonna leave my house at like 3:30 to go to the school for practice, and then I think I might go to the volleyball game because I've never been to one of our volleyball games before, and it's a regional tonight and the theme's tie-dye, which would be super fun, and I'm so down for that. So I've got my Infinities on, my cheer shoes, and I'm grabbing my stuff to go to practice, my keys and my AirPods. Sometimes I run stadiums at the school after practice, which is like a really good workout for me. I ran around my neighborhood yesterday, like ran a mile instead of doing it in the elliptical, and I did like stuff in the gym. I've just been finding like other ways to get outside because it's absolutely beautiful. Also, I still don't know if I'm going to the volleyball game or not, but the theme is tie-dye, so I have like tie-dye clothes back there. We're gonna grab a Katie's Corner bag. I literally use these bags all the time. They're the best. I'm not just saying that because I made them, but these are like my favorite bags ever. I have 2 of them. They fit everything and they're perfect. We launched them in the spring collection, and so many of y'all have got them. It's so cool. I have all of my stuff, and now we are headed to practice. Hi guys, so we're out of practice now, and I'm at Bella's. Come here, Molly. And this is Bella's new kitty. Her name is Molly. I'm not a really animal person, but I like tiny things, and this is Tiny Cat. Say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Oh. But we had practice for just like an hour, and now we're, oh, nope, don't jump off the bed. And now we're going to the volleyball game. And Bella's cleaning her room because it looks like a tornado flew through here. I'm exposing you. I don't think I've ever had a cat in my vlog before. Ever.
Well, because you don't have one.
I know, and I don't know anyone who has a cat, besides Jamie. But that's Poos Poos. This is Tiny Cat. We're doing glitter. If you guys do not know, high school football, this is like a ritual. You can do one of each.
Silver or blue?
For high school football, we normally do glitter, but we haven't been, oh my gosh. We have not been able to do it this year, so we're doing it for a volleyball game. This is just not gonna work, is it? If you're wondering how you stick it on, Vaseline or chapstick? On your face?
Yeah.
Ooh, I use Vaseline or chapstick because it rubs right off.
I like hairspray because when you like touch it, it doesn't like smear all over your face.
Yeah, and then you just kind of stick it. But we're gonna be wearing a mask, so hopefully it looks fine. But I'm done with mine. That's all I'm gonna be doing.
Oh, that's really thick.
Alright guys, wow, the lighting's bad. So I'm at the Chick-Fil-A Drive-Through. It's now 8 p.m. and the volleyball game's over. We won our varsity team. I'm so excited, but I'm so hungry. Literally all I've eaten today is chips and hummus. So I'm about to grub on some Chick-fil-A and a lemonade. Also, I saw the cutest boy in the drive-thru, and we made eye contact, and he looked back at me. The lighting in here is so bad. I'm in love with this boy. And he drives a 4Runner. Okay, let me stop. I'm about to get my food. I'm trying to make a tripod.
Oh my goodness,
Okay.
you're gonna take all my decorations down.
You guys are bouncing on our fall decorations in the middle of our island. Oh, here's the thing that I got in my last vlog, my decoration. But I'm home. I ate my Chick-fil-A. I'm reminiscing about the very cute boy in the drive-thru. But it's okay. Guys, guess what I finally bought? A car tripod. I've only been talking about this for literally months. I finally ordered one. I asked my friend Emma Marie. You guys probably know who she is. And she sent me the link, so I bought the same one that she has. Heavy duty suction cup camera mount. $25. She has the same camera as me, so she was like, it's honestly the best one I've tried. And I was like, thanks, Emma. Clean Emma. Thanks for watching this vlog today. It was pretty eventful. Actually, it really wasn't. I cleaned my room and I went to a volleyball game and cheer practice. That's about it. Why are you staring at me? What would you like, Miss Carrie? You done judging me? If you enjoyed, subscribe down below and follow all of my social medias. And I'll hopefully see you guys in the next vlog with a car tripod that really works. Say it with me. You look like a fish. Ew, you're so ugly.
Alright, give me your camera
Peace in the
so I can
Middle
make
East.
this.